Welcome to the world of crochet with Quick Stitch. Make your own accessories to suit your lifestyle. Before we begin, let's see our requirements. Crochet needle, cotton yarn, wooden beads, small 50 approximately, and some large beads. You can refer to earlier videos to learn how to make diamond mesh lace. It's a quick recap of the lace. Now we'll join the edges lengthwise. This is also available in our earlier videos. We need two laces. Length of lace varies accordingly with the waist size. Join two halves with crochet, chain and beads. Four chain, one bead, and repeat this process for another 3 beads. After adding 4 beads, we'll add a large bead and repeat this process of adding 4 more beads, smaller beads, and we'll join it to another half of the lace. See how it looks. Make 2 more similar strips. This way we have joined 2 laces. On other end, we'll make a simple double crochet pattern with 1 double crochet, 1 chain. On first row, we'll repeat it 5 times. In the end, 1 double crochet. In second row, we'll reduce it by 1. We'll make 4 double crochet, 1 chain. And in this way, we'll make last 1 double crochet. We'll make a few chains and add some beads to finish off. A beautiful belt is ready to wear. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.